Hi, my name is Gabriela and today I'm gonna show you the top 25 phrases in Spanish. So the first one is hello. How do you say in Spanish? Hola. Hola. You can say hola to everybody. It's informal. So you can say hola to your friends, to your family, somebody that you don't know, everybody. Hola. The next one is goodbye. In Spanish, adiós. Adiós. You can say adiós to everybody and also hasta luego or nos vemos. The next one is good morning, which is buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. So we use it in the morning, obviously. And you can say to everybody, buenos días. Next one is good afternoon. In Spanish, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. So we use it after 12. The next one is good night, which is buenas noches. Buenas noches. It's a way to say goodbye or see you tomorrow. The next one is sure, claro. Or you can say of course, por supuesto, por supuesto. When you agree with somebody else. Like, por supuesto, me encantaría ir contigo. Do you want to go to the movies? ¿Quieres ir al cine? You say, claro, of course. The next one is see you or see you later. We say, nos vemos pronto. Nos vemos pronto. The next one is see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Or you can say, nos vemos hasta mañana. Number 10 is, what's your name? In Spanish is, ¿cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Number 11 is, my name is, me llamo, o mi nombre es. Me llamo Gabriela, o mi nombre es Gabriela. Next one is, nice to meet you. Encantada de conocerte. Next one is thank you, which is gracias. Gracias. Or muchas gracias. Thank you so much. Next one is you're welcome, which is de nada. Every time somebody says, oh, thank you, gracias, you say de nada. The next one is please. In Spanish, por favor. Por favor. So every time you make a request in Spanish, don't forget to say por favor. Next one is I'm sorry. En español, in Spanish, lo siento. Lo siento. So every time you make a mistake, you say lo siento. Next one is welcome. Welcome in Spanish is bienvenido or bienvenida if you are talking with a woman. Bienvenido, bienvenida. If you are saying this to a group of people, you say bienvenidos with S at the end. Next one is what time is it? In Spanish, we ask ¿qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? And you answer, son las 2 de la tarde. O es la 1 de la tarde. Next one is, how are you? We say, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? It's a really informal way to say, how are you? So you can say this to your friends, to your family. Next one is, how much is it? In Spanish, ¿cuánto es? ¿Cuánto es? Or you can add, disculpe, ¿cuánto es? You can say, ¿cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Next one is, where's the bathroom? In Spanish, we say, ¿dónde está el baño? The next one is really, really useful. I don't understand. In Spanish, no entiendo. No entiendo. So if somebody's talking to you super fast, you can say, disculpa, no entiendo. O no entiendo, ¿podrías hablar más lento? Next one is I don't know. I don't know in Spanish is no lo sé. No lo sé. Or you just can say no sé. If somebody asks you, where's the bathroom? And you don't know, you just say, oh, no sé. And the last one, for me, is super important, is I'm hungry. So if you are hungry, you say, tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. And if you are looking for an Spanish course, I have a really good one for you. So the link is below the video. And if you click it now, you're gonna get 50% off. Okay, we finished today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And also, if you want to have a private class with me, the link is below the video. Adios!